Thank you, Madam General Evaluator, fellow Toastmasters, most welcome guests, and most importantly, Holder Mullins. I have to say that the Entertaining Speaker Manual is one of my fun manuals to take on because it does help you give speeches that lean towards comedy or towards fun, entertaining. And today was a day, or tonight was a night for entertainment, so it was quite fitting for tonight's theme. Now, to give you the feedback, just as we have commend, recommend, commend, I would like to commend the fact that you chose a topic that somehow is addressing something that is negative, but yet putting it in a fun way, in an entertaining manner. So that's a good approach in terms of talking about an entertaining speech. I would just want to also mention, just to recommend two things. I wished the topic was more or less put in a short format so that you reached your objectives quickly, and also I wish you gave the speech more as like a speech as opposed to a presentation. Maybe release the formality a little bit and let's have some fun. But I said these things to go straight back to commending you and the fact that you started more formal in a way and then you started telling stories. And I think one of the ways to teach, if you want to, is to tell stories. And I think because of the stories, it's going to be hard to forget the topic, the idea behind your speech. So I could relate, and I know most likely most people could relate to the stories that you told. You're not talking about work and, it has to do with a little bit of relationship. I'm not cooking. My wife just started working this week and I'm going through a little bit of, I have to put in my own, work in there. So I totally could relate to your stories, and I think that helped to send that message about stress and how to, I guess, relieve it in general. So I just wish you had the outlines in there to kind of make it short and get straight to the idea behind the speech so we could just get what you had to tell us. But at the end of the day, you met the objective. The objective was to have a fun speech that could teach us something, and I think you met that objective. So thank you very much. We look forward to your next entertaining speech.